welcome to the channel on the surf. Here is the family, Sandra, Hector and Jack. My name is Jimmy and we are the family that lives on the surf. Yeah, today it's quite bad weather. Look at these freaking waves. They are going all over the place. I can count 4 different directions on the waves. It's a freaking roller coaster today. He thinks it doesn't rock as much as he wants, so let's rock some more. Jack was bored, he didn't think it was funny enough, so he went to bed. Thankfully we have kids that are quite tough and love the sea, so they don't mind when it's a bit rocky. Yeah, we found a new favorite spot. Well, it's not the best weather today, but it can't always be sunshine and downwind. Ow. Yeah, at least Hector and Jack doesn't mind. Really nice place, and the terrain is quite hard. The dock is, well, it's easy to dock there, but it's hard to get ashore from the dock. And it's quite hard to get to, so hopefully it's not gonna be the favorite for so many more people. We can get this for ourselves. Hector and Jack likes to climb everything, so it's a perfect spot for them. So, kom igen. A small beach. There's the boat, so you have to go ashore, up that hill, climb over a lot of rocks, through bushes and other stuff, and you get down here. And some open spaces, fireplace, and we are alone. So quiet. Yeah, I think this is our favorite spot for this summer anyway. And it's in a really protective bay, so it should be quite nice, even if the weather gets worse. turned around into the harbor, so now we are going straight with the wave. And yeah, now it's a lot calmer, and yeah, this is what Hector thinks about that. Hector! Hector! Yeah, it can't always be downwind and sunny weather. Now it's back to port. Dock the boat, whip up some barbecue. Maybe. See you in dock.